Hi guys, welcome to welcome back and welcome to a new video. Today we are doing another unboxing. I need to stop moving my hands, but I'm happy to be back. I hope you are doing great. So today we are doing another simple unboxing, and like I said, I just like doing unboxing when I find something interesting or when I find something I've been looking for a long time. And that's why today we are doing an unboxing, and we are doing the unboxing of the Nike React 270 in black and gray. It says black, oil gray, and gray black. I don't know if you can see it. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time for the focus to be better on the things or the shoes I'm trying to show you guys. So this is a classic Nike box for the Air Max 270 or this Air Max 720. They all come in these boxes, I think so. And you have a classic box in white and black, and when you open it, I was concerned when I opened the box because I didn't see any Nike logo on the paper and stuff, but I don't know if they changed something in the shop where I ordered them, but this is what it looks like. And then when you open, the shoes are there. I do really appreciate all black or all white shoes because I feel like it's really practical to wear to work out, or when you want to go for a really minimalistic outfit. So as well as I love colorful sneakers or colorful outfits, I can really appreciate like an all white or an all black and an all gray outfit. So that's why I really like these. They are really simple, black. Let me take out the paper. Black. You have the Nike logo, like it's the classic Air Max 270, and then the React detail. Really simple. Like I said, really love the details, the fact that it's all black, and this kind of how do you say it, like this kind of matte, like matte black or matte gray, like really dark gray they have. I really like it. And then you have the what does it say? Air 270 React, and then the Nike logo on the top. They are really simple. Like I said, they're really simple but really cool at the same time. So there you have, here you have the two shoes. Sorry. Like I said, really simple. I don't know if I always forgot to tell you the materials, but on the shoe it says just, what does it say? Just stuff. It's not leather at all. It's just like this really simple and comfortable material they are made of, but I do really like them. So I am going to show you guys a little close-up, and I'm going to continue the video right after the close-up. So guys, right now I've put them all. I have put them on. They are really comfortable, really comfortable. Like, I'm a big fan. I love the Air Max 270 as well. These are the React, but I love the 270 as well. But these ones are really comfortable. I love the softness. I love the materials. I would have loved to have those with the see-through material on the front, but I didn't find them in my size, or they were not as cheap as these ones. So really love them, really comfortable. I feel like I can work out in these. Like, I do work out in my Air Max 270 as well, so I feel like I can do the same with this one, but we'll see. And like I said, really comfortable. And for this video, I'm not going to show you guys many outfit suggestions. I'm just going to show you guys one, because I wasn't feeling that much inspired today. So I paired the shoes, the black shoes, with my leopard print pants and a leopard print blazer, and I completed the outfit with a chain belt. And it's a simple outfit, really, if you can see it like that. If you're a print fan, or you can just go all black, like a black jogging pants and black top, and the outfit is also complete, if you know what I mean. So this is my outfit for this video. I'm just going to say thank you for watching, and see you next time. But before you go, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and like the video. And don't forget to find me on Instagram at This Style Tapes. I post daily. I post outfit inspiration. I know that I don't post sneakers as much as I would want to, but I feel like I have to do that more, because I have sneakers but I just don't make pictures of them. That's really weird. But find me on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and see you next week. Bye.